Good morning, you guys. It is about 8 a.m. I'm just about to get dinner going. It's Saturday. I'm just about to get dinner going. I picked up this London broil from Safeway this week. It was on sale for $1.97 a pound. Got an excellent deal on it. I wanted to make a Mississippi pot roast. However, I have everything. I don't have the right gravy, but I'm just going to use this one anyway. I had this in my pantry. Partially used. I'll pick that up in a minute. And I got some butter here that I'm just gonna finish off. I don't have pepperoncinis. I always have pepperoncinis, but the day I actually need them, I don't have them anymore. So anyway, I'm gonna make this Mississippi pot roast minus pepperoncinis. I read that you can do jalapeno too, but one of my kids doesn't like spicy. Honestly, with the pepperoncini, she even thinks it's spicy too. So I'm gonna try it without it today. So I'm gonna get all this stuff out and get it into my crock pot. So I've got my crock pot out. This particular crock pot, I have two of them. This one, it seems like it cooks a little bit slower than my other one, but I have all day, so I don't mind, but I am gonna put it on high so that they can cook a little faster, because if I put it on low, I feel like it would take a million years. So I've got my pot roast inside the crock pot. I'm just gonna go ahead and add the butter. Just plop it right on top. I'm going to add this ranch packet. It's about half, but this is a small roast, so I think it should be okay. Now I'm going to add this gravy mix. I don't think it matters. I've made this before. I don't even pay attention. I just grab gravy, so we'll see how this goes. And this here is basically it. Like I said, if you have pepperoncinis, you can use those and add them in now, and a little bit of the juice. Fortunately, I ran out, hoping I had some in the fridge, but I don't, but it's okay. I'm gonna go ahead and cook this anyway. I set this on high, and normally on high 4 hours, 4 to 6 hours. I'll be letting you guys know how long this one takes. Probably about 6 hours on the longer end, just because this crock pot I found cooks a little slower than my bigger one, but I just have a small little bit of meat and I did not want to use the big one. So this will probably take me about 6 hours on high today. Okay guys, so it is way past 6 hours, I think, way past. But I still had this cooking. This crock pot, like I said, cooks slow. But let me check this. Hold on, let me take this thing off my finger. I was doing some knitting and I was counting some rows. I forgot I had that on when I came over here. But anyway, this looks pretty cooked. I'm gonna, yeah, it's like falling apart with my fork. So I think I'm gonna just shred this up. Smells really good, looks really good. So I'm just gonna shred this up. And let's see, this is what it looks like. Looks really good. So I'm gonna shred this up and be right back. All right, so this is it after I shredded it up. I'm gonna go ahead and set it to warm right now, and I'll show you guys how I serve it up, how you can quickly serve it up for your family. Show you how we had this tonight. All right, guys, so this is how I served it up today. So I put the Mississippi pot roast on. I put it over mashed potatoes, and then we just have a side of like mixed veggies. I got this like mixed veggie mix from Sam's Club, and that was pretty much it, you guys. We did not add pepperoncinis because I didn't have any, and it still tastes divine. So if you don't have pepperoncinis and you still want to make the Mississippi pot roast, go for it. Don't feel like you need to have that. Give this a try. Let me know what you guys think. See you in my next one. Bye.